Hi, it's Myriam with lesson 9, Tahitian dance, how to do a TEKI ARAPU. If you don't know how to do a ARAPU, go ahead and watch that. TEKI ARAPU is basically a ARAPU done in your tiptoes, okay? So that's why it's important that you know a ARAPU first. But basically we are lifting your heels about an inch or two from the ground. You're bending your knees slightly, not a lot, just slightly, and we're still using all the muscles that we use for ARAPU. You still have to tuck in. You tuck in, tuck in. Now here your weight is going to be shifting from one foot to the other as you move to one side of the hip to the other, and that is when you're going to be stepping your foot forward or back. Steps for the most part are done slowly. For the full tutorial, guys, on TEKI ARAPU, head over to my YouTube channel.